Wait a minute. What's Morrison Knudsen Company doing in the high-tech business? Aren't they construction people? Yes, and darn good ones, too. It's only natural that MK is into high technology. Look at their history. From the very beginning, they've met new challenges head-on, inventing or utilizing new technologies and equipment to solve the problems of the day. It may seem a long step from the construction of Hoover Dam to the implementation of high technology, but it's much the same to MK's problem solvers, the right men with the right tools who do the job right. MK uses brawn and brains, construction know-how, and the technological skill to make things work, to save time and money for MK's clients. MK's tradition is one of success, growing from a $14,000 gross income in 1912 to MK's present $3.5 billion backlog. This strong financial base allows MK to operate in an incredibly wide range of heavy, civil, infrastructure, marine, and high-tech projects, plus assisting in overall construction management and installation of facilities, manufacturing equipment, control and management systems. The elements of MK's program management services are program planning, schedule cost control, communications, implementation, and productionizing. Since the early 1950s, Morrison Knudsen has been a provider of engineering and construction services to the automobile industry. In the mid-1970s, GMAD, General Motors Assembly Division, launched major new growth programs and awarded a series of construction management and assembly plant improvement projects to Morrison Knudsen. Oklahoma City, Shreveport, Bowling Green, Van Nuys, Leeds, and BOC's Lansing. In the early 1980s, General Motors undertook the most extensive plant modernization program in North America in more than 4 decades. The scope of this modernization program included the procurement, transportation, and installation of 98 new transfer press systems. GM would utilize 90% of the world's press manufacturing capacity. 3 plants in Japan, 2 in Germany, 2 in Italy, 1 in England, and 2 in the United States. GM needed an outside firm specializing in international program management, expediting, packaging, and specialized transportation services. Again, General Motors turned to Morrison Knudsen Company to get the job done. MK would undertake new plant construction, expansion, or renovation at 5 manufacturing plants in the Midwest. CPC's Grand Rapids, Michigan, Marion, Indiana, Mansfield and Parma, Ohio, and the truck and bus plant at Indianapolis, Indiana. Coordination and shipping of equipment to BOC plants at Lordstown, Ohio, Grand Blanc, Kalamazoo, and Lansing, Michigan. MK would also oversee the packaging, shipment, land transportation, and installation of these gargantuan new transfer press systems. In May 1985, MK was awarded GM's construction management contract for the all-new $1.05 billion CPC flagship Fairfax plant at Kansas City, Kansas, GM's most modern automotive assembly plant ever. MK's team was responsible for overall coordination of 280 separate contracts, 2,850 craftsmen, quality assurance, and safety, all done on time within budget. Under Fairfax's 72-acre roof, GM would put high technology to work on an unprecedented scale. A complete computerized metal stamping facility, fully automated body shop with 135 battery-operated AGVs, Robogates, laser inspection stations, a base coat clear coat paint shop with 8-stage phosphate washer, Elpo electrically deposited primer dip tank, robotic sealing, 2 computerized automatic storage and retrieval systems, modular building concepts as in instrument panel and driver controls. MK's team of controls engineers assisted CPC in the startup and operation of the entire Fairfax facility. Also in 1985, Saturn, GM's newly formed car company, chose MK as construction manager for their new concept automobile manufacturing facility at Spring Hill, Tennessee. Preparation of the 2,450-acre site would require 5 million cubic yards of excavation, 2.7 million yards of overburden removal, and the blasting of 2 million yards of rock. MK would oversee the building of a powertrain engine foundry, a stamping plant, body shop, general assembly areas such as body panel body fab, VIS, vehicle interior systems, general offices, reception center, and install central utilities. MK's technical services team will be involved with the checkout and startup of process equipment and facilities, as well as offering personnel training utilizing video disc technology. High-tech equipment arrives with high-tech problems, demanding high-tech solutions. MK's Technical Services Group has organized a team of 60 automotive technical experts to tackle problems associated with sophisticated computer-based manufacturing equipment. As an example, in starting up and running the new stamping presses, various equipment control systems operate independently of each other. Working in partnership, Morrison Knudsen and CPC developed the Master Control PMS, Process Monitoring System, to coordinate these varied systems. The PMS provides fault analysis data and reports operating condition and production data at the plant floor and management information system levels. The CSE workstation provides specialized technical services to simplify installation, integration, startup, operation, and maintenance of client manufacturing systems and processes. It acts as a testing, diagnostic, maintenance, circuit documentation, and training tool designed to work in the plant floor environment. The CSE workstation is used to verify control system hardware and software for functional and maintenance suitability. At vendor checkout, MK personnel record the time sequence of control signals for later comparison once equipment is delivered and installed. Equipment checkout provides rapid and accurate online documentation that control system electrical and communication circuits are functioning properly. Operators, electricians, and maintenance personnel experience difficulties in mastering the new technologies. Retraining is essential. But risking the mega-expensive new equipment to unretrained personnel is out of the question. For effective hands-on training, MK's Technical Services Group, in cooperation with CPC Mansfield, has linked mock-up press control panels to laser disc players. The trainee can see the press run under actual working conditions. This see and do mode provides continuity between the training class and plant floor conditions. Mistakes in procedure can be analyzed and corrected quickly, A lesson learned rapidly without causing a catastrophic breakdown of expensive production equipment or production loss time. This realistic environment inspires confidence through familiarity. At GM's Romulus engine plant, MK's seasoned hands-on automotive professionals utilize current process equipment technology to solve problems of automated production. Uptime is increased through frequent monitoring and interrogation of system controls, detecting system anomalies early, and preventing costly assembly line shutdowns. But it is people who make high technology work. And at MK, it is our staff of troubleshooting, debugging, automotive-wise engineers and technicians who help analyze and resolve your high-tech problems. Armed with the latest time-saving tools and techniques, MK people help bring your facility to prime production condition with pride, on time, within budget. MK is a can-do company with a solid reputation for international construction and program management and high-tech proficiency. MK can expedite movement of the incredible machinery of modern industry, install it in buildings they built, facilitate plant startup, monitor equipment, troubleshoot, and help train operators and maintenance personnel. The ongoing evolution of automotive technologies requires a consistent evolution of solutions to high-tech problems. Morrison Knudsen people will be there to distill, analyze, and integrate these new technologies with teamwork, forming an alliance of people and machines, saving time and money for its clients. MK gets the job done.